Hello, beautiful kids. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and enjoying at your home. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. And I'm back with another topic. And today's topic is about my body movements. This is the body. In the last class, we have studied about my body parts. Okay. On our body, we have so many body parts. And today, we will study about body movements. Are you all ready? Let's start today's class. Okay, so you can see here all these children are doing various activities, various movements. I will tell you through our body what all can we do. हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं body से. चलिए start करते हैं today's class. First one is right. Write हम कैसे करते हैं? Through our hands. Through our hands we can write. ठीक है? हम hand में pencil को पकड़ते हैं and then we can write. ऐसे होता है ना? So we can do writing. Writing is also our body movement. Okay? Writing is also our body movement. हमारी जब body move करती है, write करती है, all these things are called body movements. Okay? Next is walk. Next is walk. Now, how can we walk? Like this, we walk. Chana? And which part we use in walking? Our legs. Legs से हम लोग walk करते हैं. Okay? Walking. Body हमारी एक walking इसमें है. ठीक है? So, walking is also our body movement. Okay? Next is dancing. आप सब डांस भी करते हो ना? Like this, like this. So, dancing is also our body movement. Okay? Next is eating. आपको जब भूख लगती है और आप खाना खाते हो तो आप कैसे खाते हो? कैसे खाते हैं ना खाना? So, eating is also our body movement. Okay? Next is running. जब आप किसी से रेस करते हो तो आप बहुत तेज रन करते हैं ना? So, running is also our body movement. Okay? Next is jumping. How do you jump? Like this. Yes. So, jumping is also our body movement. And last one is sit. जैसे कि आप सब लोग बैठे हैं ना अभी? Sit. Sitting. Sitting is also our body movement. ठीक है? Sitting, standing, sleeping, writing, walking, running, jumping, dancing and eating. All these are our body movements. ये सारे काम हम कैसे करते हैं? हमारी body के through करते हैं. ठीक है? So our body is very, very useful and important for us. Okay, class? Okay. Now we have to do this activity. Connect the movement with the correct picture. These are some body movements and हमें इनके साथ correct picture को match करना है. चलिए करते हैं. First is the writing part. And how do we write? We write through our hands. So we will match it with the hand. Like this. Okay? Next is skating. This boy is skating. और हम skating कैसे करते हैं? अपनी legs से करते हैं. So we will match it with the legs. Okay? Next is the girl is combing the hair. Okay? Combing the hair. हम comb कैसे करते हैं? अपने hands से करते हैं. So we will match it with the hands. Okay? Next is running. Boy is running here. हम run legs से करते हैं. This will go with the legs one. Next is eating. Boy eat कर रहा है ना अपना food. Eat हम hand से भी करते हैं ना. So we will match it with the hand. Okay? And last one is playing football. This boy is playing football. Football कैसे play करते हैं आप? अपनी लेग से। हमें फुटबॉल को ऐसे जोर से किक करना होता है ना? सो वी किक द बॉल फ्रॉम आवर legs. So I will go up and match it with the legs. Okay. So this is the activity of the body movement. Now I know that you all will learn all the body movements and their importance. And now I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.